friends. Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI App of the Day series. In today's episode, we are reviewing one of the best video editing and generative AI app of the day. Remember, an app a day to power your today. Let's get started. Alright, so today we are reviewing Descript. What is Descript? Descript is a revolutionary all-in-one AI tool that makes video and audio editing as simple as editing a text document. It automatically transcribes your media, allowing us to cut, copy, paste sections of your video or audio by simply editing the text. This word-based workflow streamlines the editing process for podcast, video essays, and interviews. It's equally interesting and intuitive for both beginners as well as seasoned creators. Now, let's talk about some of the features of Descript first. Overdub. You can create a text-to-speech voice clone of yourself to add or correct audio without re-recording. It has an inbuilt AI video generation tool, which means you can generate short, engaging videos from text and complete it with complete stock footage and music. It has a studio sound, which means an AI powered filter that cleans up your audio, removing background noise and echo. It has filler word removal, which means it automatically detects and removes filler words like all of that. Multi-track editing, which means you can work with multiple audio and video tracks in a single unified interface. You can quickly and finally extract the social media clips and create for your platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Let's talk about the pros of Descript. It has unmatched efficiency, its accessibility, which means you can easily learn even for non-editors. It's an all-in-one solution for handling transcription, video editing, audio, and much more. It has high-quality audio tools. The studio sound feature is highly effective at improving audio quality. You can bring your entire team as part of the collaboration suite and work on a project with your team. Descript constantly is adding new powerful AI features, which means you get all of that regularly updated. What are some of the cons? It is resource intensive, which means it can be demanding on your computer's processing power, or if you're editing on mobile, it can be challenging. Can feel limiting. It lacks the fine-grained control and features of professional NLEs like Adobe Premiere. There is a little bit of learning curve for beginners. That's what I would say. Accuracy will vary sometimes based on the complex vocabulary and with the transcription and complex words, etc. It requires internet always. You can't work really offline. Pricing can be heavy for like say if you are not a regular or professional user, the pricing can seem little heavy. Like talking about pricing, it has a free plan with limited transcription hours, but if you are a paid creator or pro plan, you get more hours and advanced features and collaboration tools. That's my take on Descript. This is the website you will go, which is descript.com, and you can go check out this entire workflow and try for yourself. It's pretty straightforward. You can create and generate a lot of videos as long as you have the correct pricing plan, talking about which you can see it's for hobbyists it's $16, $24, and enterprises $50. So these are all the custom ones. You can start with a free plan where you can do one person is included, and it's limited plan, but there is a free plan available. All right, so go ahead, explore this awesome AI tool to create your videos and audios in no time. Join me in the next episode where I'll continue bringing you more such AI apps to help you learn, master, and create amazing things with these AI tools. Thank you so much for joining. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.